Okay, here, buddy. This is gonna be day 10 of the 16 in 15. 16 albums in 15 days. We're gonna do the Blizzard of Oz album by Ozzy Osbourne, uh, which is his first album since, if I seem a little off, I kind of got myself with a guitar string in my eye, so I might be a little off. Anyway, yeah. This is Ozzy's first solo album since while getting fired from Black Sabbath. Let's just get into it, okay? I don't know. Hard charging metal song about all the uncertainty and he was going through at that time when he, like I said, he had gotten fired from Black Sabbath. Track 2, the iconic Ozzy Osbourne song, Crazy Train. If you don't know this song, I don't think you're an Ozzy fan. If you don't know Crazy Train, that's perfect. It's about, well, people being stupid and that they fight about all of this, some of this stuff he said. I mean, he said bullshit. I mean, crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people living as foes. For people to learn how to love and forget how to hate. So yeah. Track 3, Goodbye to Romance. Peaceful song. It's basically saying goodbye to Black Sabbath. You know? Track 4, D, or D-E-E. I guess it's D, I guess. I don't know. Suicide Solution. This is a controversial song. As most of you know, most of you Ozzy Osbourne fans out there know that might be watching this. This song did get Ozzy, and he did have to defend himself against parents in the mid '80s who, when their teens, were listening to the song and killed themselves. But turns out, all because they're saying there were little messages in there that says "shoot, shoot, shoot, get the gun, get the gun." No, it's not. But anyway, it's a hard charging metal song about how drinking yourself to death is not the best thing to do. It's never the answer. It's also a tribute to Ozzy's friend the late AC/DC singer Bon Scott, who basically drank himself to death. Track 6, Mr. Crowley. Eerie organ intro. It's about the renowned, the kind of famous Satanist Aleister Crowley. And well, basically the reason Ozzy wrote this, he'd been reading books on Aleister Crowley and wanted to write a song about it. So he did. There you go. Track 7, No Bone Movies. Hard charging song about, well, I'm guessing an addictive movie star? I don't know. Track 8, Mother Revelation, Mother Earth. Melodic song about how he wants the Earth to forgive us for, well, basically, destroying the freaking planet. Track 9, Steal Away the Night. Hard charging song about partying it up, I'm guessing. Anyway, I'm not sure what tomorrow's album is going to be, but well, one of them is going to be Black Sabbath 13. I don't know what the other one is. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section down below. Oh, was requested by Gregory Cloudstrife out, or as many people know him on this channel, Cloud. Yeah. Uh, yeah. If you have any questions or comments or further album review requests, email me at lastmonstv@gmail.com. Please subscribe to this channel, Last Month TV. If you have any, yeah, you can also instant message. No, I mean, let's see, uh, uh, yeah, You can message me on Facebook. And you can also, let me see. Oh yeah. Uh, put your comments in the comment section down below. Private message me. And video response will be cool too. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. Bye.